Today we're going to do a quick demonstration video on how to properly balance a wand. First thing you're going to want to do is cut it to length. I have this particular wand marked at the length I wanted to cut it. This is a hollow tube, so you want to be careful you do not crush it. I'm going to use a Dremel tool to trim the excess wand off. You could use a pipe cutter or something like that if you're out in the field as well. Alright, now that we've got the wand trimmed to the proper length, again we notice that wand is hollow. Got the metal rod that comes with the weight set. I'm going to go ahead and insert that into this. That metal rod keeps the wand from crushing when you put the wand holder on and tighten it down in position. Go ahead and put one of my scanners here in a vise. Wand holder, there is a collar, basically it's a collar that goes onto the scanner motor shaft. We're going to leave that loose for now so we can get a proper balance on this wand. It allows it to kind of float freely on there. Stick that the wand and the pin back through the scanner. Once we do that, we've got 3 different weights we can choose from. I'm going to put a couple weights on here. So you just kind of slide them over that pin, get them in position. Try to find a nice balance point for them. So find a balance point. Go ahead and lock those weights down onto that rod. Cinch those down onto there. Okay. It's kind of balanced here. Doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that it's pretty close. That helps with the scanner when it boots up so that it's not giving any errors. It makes it to the home position correctly. And then also checking accuracies it helps on. So once you've got that done, there's a set screw here that you're going to then tighten down. That's going to tighten onto the wand itself and then onto that metal shaft that's inside so it doesn't crush it. Normally I'll put that on a workbench or a table, whatever I'm working on, so that I make sure that it's flat so it hits those tools perpendicular to the tip. Cinch that on down, put it back on, make sure that wand balance is pretty close. I got it off a little bit when I cinched that down, so I need to move that forward just a hair more. Get back in there. Back on your scanner. Alright, that's balanced. You can lock down the collar onto the scanner motor shaft. That'll keep that tight. Now you can install your scanner into the machine and you're ready to go.